Welcome to RC Studios. Today I'm going to show you how to install a trailer hitch onto your TRX-6. To do this, you're going to need Traxxas part number 8820 and a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. After you do that, you're going to want to remove these 3 screws on both sides. Once you have removed all 6 of those screws, you can just pull back on the bumper and it comes straight off. After removing the bumper, you're going to want to grab the Traxxas part number 8820 and open it up and grab the other rear bumper out. Once you have the old bumper removed and the new bumper out of the packaging, you're going to want to slide the new bumper into the frame rails. Once you have the new bumper put into place, you are going to want to put the 2 screws in right here. You're going to want to do the same on this side. And that's how you install a trailer hitch onto a Traxxas TRX-6.
Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions on how to install a trailer hitch mount onto your Traxxas TRX-6, leave a comment down below, and I'll surely answer it. Also, don't forget to leave a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. Well, until next time, farewell.